to witness the impressive show by the young cadets. I thank all the people present here who have come here to this 57th Parents' Day. Cadet College, Pitaro, Zindabad, Pakistan, Paindabad.
Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander orders the parade to raise the slogans for the Honorable Chief Guest, Syed Murad Ali Shah, Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Sindh.
वज़ीर आला सिंध सैयद मुराद अली शाह के लिए गोदी नारा देंगे। पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान पाकिस्तान।
Ladies and gentlemen, now the parade commander, Chief Cadet Captain Bilal Sarwar, proceeds to the dais to seek the permission from the Honorable Chief Guest for the march past. He holds this appointment due to his extraordinary performance in all the fields that are academics, sports, extracurricular activities, and conduct. The permission is granted by the Honorable Chief Guest. Ladies and gentlemen, with the beat of the drum, you can see all the appointment holders taking their respective positions for the march past. The college guard leads the parade, while the rest of the squad follows it one by one under the command of their respective cadet captains.
हाज़रीन, अब द टी पार्क कैडेट्स मार्च पास करते हुए सलामी के चबूतरे से गुजरेंगे। इस सिलसिले में कॉलेज गार्ड सबसे आगे होगी, जबकि बाकी हाउसेस अपने अपने कैडेट कैप्टन की रहनुमाई में आगे बढ़ेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, they all are synchronizing their steps in order to get ready for the march past. Ladies and gentlemen, the guard commander, Cadet Abdul Khalik, cautions the guard. Ladies and gentlemen, the college guard is the contingent of selected cadets from all the 8 houses. As you see, they march smartly with the beat of the drum, with the perfect timing and complete coordination of their steps. Such a graceful march speaks volumes of the discipline of their body and mind, which is an indispensable element of a true soldier. Their every step yearn for the great cause of the nation. These refined steps are certain to play their role in making this nation a citadel of prosperity and happiness. This magnificent display of parade is the result of a plenty of practice and continuous hard work by the cadets and the drill instructors. The guard commander, Cadet Abdul Khalik, leads the guard. Two div commanders, Cadet Hussain Shah and Cadet Arbaz Khan, follow him. Cadet Qazi Muhammad Ammar holds the national flag and Cadet Ali Ahmad Sario holds the college flag. Behind him are the 5 rifle squad cadets. They are Cadet Uzair, Cadet Zain, Cadet Adusham Riaz, Cadet Ari Arslan and Cadet Usman Ilahi. Cadet Huzaifa leads the party. He is the party commander. Behind him stands the second commander, Cadet Khurram Amir. Ladies and gentlemen, the guard salutes the honorable chief guest.
तेगों के साए में हम पलकर जवां हुए हैं, परचम हिलाल का है कौमी निशान हमारा। ए अर्ज़ पाक तेरी हुर्मत पे कट मरे हम, है खून तेरी रगों में अब तक रवा हमारा। ख़वातीनो हजरात, कॉलेज गार्ड का चाको चौबंद दस्ता सलामी के चबूतरे के सामने से गुजर रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the parade commander, Chief Cadet Captain Bilal Sarwar, Chairman Aurang Kapati Haziq Bajwa, and Sports Cadet Captain Ahmed Waftawar. Cadet Captain Musaf commands Jinnah House, the champions of this year. The 2 senior lead cadets of the house are Cadet Fawad and Cadet Ramiz. Behind them is Cadet Noor, who holds the proficiency banner and is the party commander, while Cadet Sham comes behind him.
बातिल के अंधेरे को दुनिया से मिटा देंगे, ईमान की हर दिल में हम शम्मा जला देंगे। तूफान हवादिस की हर मौज से टकरा कर मिल्लत के सफीने को साहिल से लगा देंगे। हाजरीन, इस साल के चैंपियंस जिन्ना हाउस के मुस्तैद कैडेट्स का दस्ता सलामी के चबूतरे के सामने से गुजर रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, Liaquat House stands second this year, so the Liaqatians are the runners-up. Cadet Captain Mubashir commands the house. Behind him are the 2 senior lead cadets of the house. They are Cadet Faki and Cadet Abdullah.
तू रहनवर्दे शौक है मंजिल न कर कबूल, लैला भी हम नशी हो तो महमिल न कर कबूल। ऐ जुए आप बढ़ के हो दरियाए तुंदो तेज, साहिल तुझे अता हो तो साहिल न कर कबूल। मौजूद मेहमानाने गरामी, इस वक्त रनर अप करार पाने वाले लियाकत हाउस के कैडेट्स सलामी पेश करते हुए गुजर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, Iqbal House stood third. Cadet Captain Rao Osama Khan commands Iqbal House, while the 2 senior lead cadets, Cadet Ammar Arif and Cadet Kashif Khan, follow him.
तौहीद की अमानत सीनों में है हमारे, आसान नहीं मिटाना नामो निशा हमारा। बातिल से दबने वाले ऐ आसमान नहीं हम, 100 बार कर चुका है तू इम्तिहान हमारा। ख़वातीनो हज़रात, इकबाल हाउस के चाको चौबंद कैडेट्स आपके सामने से गुजर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, Sachal House has secured 4th position this year. Cadet Captain Mohit Hassan commands the Sachal House, while the 2 senior lead cadets, Cadet Umar and Cadet Farooq, follow him.
खुदा करे कि मेरी अर्ज़ पाक पर उतरे वो फसले गुल जिसे अंदेशाए ज़वाल ना हो। खुदा करे कि मेरे एक भी हम वतन के लिए हयात जुर्म ना हो, जिंदगी वबाल ना हो।
Ladies and gentlemen, Shahbaz House stood 5th. Cadet Captain Kashif leads the house, and the 2 senior lead cadets, Cadet Zaigam Abbas and Cadet Kashif, come behind him.
शाही कभी परवाज से थक कर नहीं गिरता, पुरदम है अगर तू तो नहीं खतरा उफ्ताद।
Ladies and gentlemen, this year Latif House stands 6th. Cadet Captain Sher Mohammad Rind commands the house, and the 2 senior lead cadets, Cadet Abdul Majid and Cadet Arsalan Khan, come behind him.
इरादे जिनके पुख्ता हो, नजर जिनकी खुदा पर हो, तलातुम खेज मौजों से वो घबराया नहीं करते।
Ladies and gentlemen, Qasim House stands 7th this year. Cadet Captain Ali Haider commands the house, and the two senior leading cadets, Cadet Waqar and Cadet Ahmed, come behind him.
जहां में अहले ईमा सूरत खुर्शीद जीते हैं, इधर डूबे उधर निकले, उधर डूबे इधर निकले।
Ladies and gentlemen, last but not the least, here comes the Ayub House. Cadet Captain Danish Bhutto leads Ayub House, and behind him comes the two senior leading cadets, Cadet Saiful Iqbal and Cadet Ayub Siddiqui.
ए वतन तूने पुकारा तो लहू खोल उठा, तेरे बेटे तेरे जाबाज चले आते हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the college band before the saluting dies, beautifully clad with ajrak. Please give them a huge round of applause.
नवा पैरा हो है बुलबुल के हो तेरे तरन्नुम से, कबूतर के तने नाजुक में शाही का जिगर पैदा। खवातीनो हजरात भरपूर इस्तकबाल कीजिए, कॉलेज के जूनियर कैडेट्स का माया नाज और खूबसूरत बैंड सलामी के चबूतरे के सामने से गुजर रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, and now 4 pilots salute the dice. They are Cadet Raja Ali, Cadet Habibullah, Cadet Ayan and Cadet Shahid.
मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से है, सितारों पे जो डालते हैं कमर। मुअज़्ज़ज़ मेहमानाने गिरामी, अब आपके सामने से कॉलेज गार्ड के पायलट सलामी पेश करते हुए गुजर रहे हैं।
Ladies and gentlemen, now you will witness Chinese Taiji Chuan, and I hand over the mic to Cadet Faraz for further proceedings.
大家好，大风起兮云飞扬，我是陈飞扬。今天由我给大家介绍太极拳。今天太极拳名位分别是太极门、阿姆甲的 P2 和破学者。Ladies and gentlemen, the command of Taiji Chuan is Cadet Shahid Jahangir of Mohammed Qasim House. The vice commanders are Cadet Amjad, Cadet Bilawal and Cadet Saqib Husain.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video 现在太极拳结束了 ，With this 太极拳 comes to an end.
Thank you, Cadet Faraz. Assalamu alaikum. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cadet Salim of class first year with you for the gymnastic commentary. Ladies and gentlemen, gymnastics is the sport that test an athlete's strength, rhythm, balance and flexibility. It's a fascinating art, but quite difficult and needs one to have elastic body. Our college gymnastic team has planned some of the very interesting feats for the distinguished guests. They have put the best of their efforts to display a beautiful show. They will certainly put you into wonder with their talent. Instructor who trained the cadets is Petty Officer Ashfaq Ahmed. Ladies and gentlemen, the gymnastic team captain is Cadet Mukhtar Ahmed Sundro of Jinnah House. He is a meritorious student of this institution. He got this appointment due to his extraordinary performance in gymnastics. The gymnastic team vice captains are Cadet Jamshed and Cadet Siddiq.
First of all, chain hello back. Now it is the time for the chain hello back. First comes Cadet Jamshed, Mukhtar, Sikandar Jan, Musab, Ahmed, Waqar, Ashir and finally Cadet Mujahid. Triple hello back. First comes Cadet Mukhtar, Kaisar and Jawad. Then Cadet Ahmed, Cadet Sikandar Jan and Cadet Sadiq. Cadet Musab, Cadet Waqar and Cadet Jamshed. Cadet Kambar, Cadet Jamshed. Cadet Shiraz, Cadet Ali Nawaz. Cadet Imran. High jump. Cadet Murtaza sit on the vaulting box. First comes Cadet Sikandar Jan. Nice landing. Cadet Faqih. Then Cadet Sikandar. And now Cadet Ashir. Fantastic. And then Cadet Awais. And Cadet Kambar. And finally Cadet Musab and Cadet Waqar. Triple dive. In this event, 3 cadets dive over the vaulting box. First comes Cadet Mukhtar, Cadet Jawad and Cadet Kaisar. Then Cadet Sikandar, Cadet Ahmed and Cadet Jamshed. Cadet Sikandar, Cadet Ayaz and Cadet Shiraz. Then Cadet Awais, Cadet Muzaffar and Cadet Kambar. Cadet Musab, Cadet Ali Nawaz, Cadet Waqar. Cadet Ashir, Cadet Irfan and Cadet Murtaza. Cadet Abdullah, Cadet Hamza and Cadet Mujahid. Now comes Cadet Shahir, Cadet Shiraz and Cadet Ali Nawaz. And finally Cadet Imran and Cadet Hosh. Somersault. The next event is somersault. First to come is Cadet Ashir. Here comes Cadet Muzaffar. Next Cadet Faqih. Cadet Sikandar. Cadet Waqar. And finally Cadet Hosh. Next event is Caesar. Cadet Murtaza will form Caesar. First to come is Cadet Sikandar Jan. Then Cadet Mukhtar. Then Cadet Faqih. Then Cadet Ashir. Cadet Shiraz. Nice landing. And finally Cadet Waqar. is bridge. Cadet Shiraz forms the bridge. And now the first to attempt this event are Cadet Jawad, Cadet Mukhtar, Cadet Ahmed, Cadet Sikandar Jan, Cadet Imran and Cadet Faki. Nice landing. Cadet Jawad, Cadet Sikandar. Fantastic. Cadet Murtaza, Cadet Castle. Cadet Hamza and Cadet Awais. Then comes Cadet Ashir and Cadet Irfan. And finally, Cadet Sufyan and Cadet Waqar. Fantastic show. Parallel bar. Two sides, one center. Cadet Faki, Cadet Castle. Cadet Sikandar Jan. Cadet Jamshed and Cadet Murtaza. Fire ring. Now is the time for the fire ring event. Jumping through fire really needs courage, but our cadets are trained in such a manner that fear does not come in their way. And now you can see the rings are set on fire. First to come is Cadet Mukhtar, Cadet Kesser and Cadet Hassan. A real act of valor. Cadet Ashir, Cadet Amber, Cadet Kesser. Cadet Faki, Cadet Awais and Cadet Gazamfar. Cadet Imran, Cadet Hosh and Cadet Awais. Cadet Jamshed, Cadet Waqar and Cadet Kambar. What a fantastic show. Give them a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, in the last the gymnastic team comes to form a minar in order to salute the guests. Give them a big hand. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the gymnastic show. With this, I hand over the mic to Cadet Usama.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Cadet Abdul Jabbar with Cadet Shoaib of class 9 with you for mass PD display. PD Commander Hassan moves to the ground and signals the PD cadets to move in. PD cadets were trained by Petty Officer Rashid and Petty Officer Azhar. Ladies and gentlemen, the PD commanders are Cadet Ghassan, Cadet Fahad and Cadet Amir. Ladies and gentlemen, you just witnessed our senior cadets marching before you, and now it's the turn of our junior cadets to exhibit their talents. They have prepared some wonderful items of mass PD display to entertain their distinguished guests. These little engines are going to put you in the world of dancing and rhythmic colors. Ladies and gentlemen, the mass PD display is a very important event of the Parents' Day. It was introduced in Pakistan in the SAF Games in the year 1989. The aim of physical training is to keep the cadets physically and mentally fit and strong to make them capable in every field of life. Now I hand over the mic to Cadet Shoaib for further proceedings of PT show.
Thank you, Cadet Jabbar. The junior cadets are now taking their positions for their first formation. They have formed Welcome to CCP, Welcome to Cadet College Pitaro. Ladies and gentlemen, give them a huge round of applause. The next exercise is belly booster. The cadets stretch their bellies with their hands in complete synchronization. Arm raising sideways and clapping over the head. Now they stand erect and stretch their arms at both sides as the birds open their wings before their flight.